May sales report and best-selling items. For the month of May, I had 158 sales across all stores. This is a 22% increase from the 129 sales I had in April. Miss Rhoadie 106, Weddings by Rhoadie 28, Homeschool Me 8, Rhoadie's Kitchen 8, Alma Africa 4, Bible Verses and Gifts 3, Earrings by Rhoadie 1. Best-selling items. My best mom ever photo t-shirt was in first place. My best grandpa ever photo t-shirt was in second place. In third place was my best dad ever photo t-shirt. The rest of my sales consisted of greeting cards, leggings, beach towels, shot glasses, and golf balls. Customer demographics. 86% of my customers were from the United States, 14% were international. Women 73%, men 25%, unknown 2%. Top 5 states: Maine 9%, Georgia 8%, Texas 8%, Alabama 6%, Illinois 6%. International sales: I had 10 from Canada, 5 from Australia, 4 from the United Kingdom, 3 from Switzerland, and 2 from France. Honorable mentions: I sold 8 of these tote bags to one customer. Referrals: I had no referrals for the month of May. Takeaways: this month I had a bulk order for wedding favor tote bags. Creating wedding products are a great way to receive bulk orders. Thank you for watching.